Provides effective chemical filtration. Custom fit for the Fluval U3 filter. Traps fine debris, improves water clarity and removes impurities. Easy to replace. Works in freshwater, marine or reptile environments. Fluval Poly carbon cartridges features two sides for effective chemical filtration, the crucial second stage in the filtration process. The polyester filter pad side filters out fine debris and contaminants. The carbon side filters out harmful liquid substances, colorants and odors. The Fluval Poly carbon cartridge works in part with the Fluval Filter Foam Pad to help keep your aquarium healthy and clean. Top reviews from the United States. Essential for turtle tank crud clearing. Turtles are messy critters, especially if you feed them a varied diet with some plants. Differently, give a turtle a live feeder fish, and it's gone in seconds without a trace. However, turtles need plants in order to be healthy, despite the mess. Roughly, half of the plant they will eat, and the other half they will rip to shreds. This makes it such that turtles need a foam filter to catch the larger particles, which in this case are stirred up by the Fluval U3 water jet for easier collection via the Fluval U3 holster. Without filter foam pads and a Fluval underwater filter, it is difficult to be vigilant to get waste particles siphoned. It is such that in my experience more waste particles will settle bottom of a tank without Fluval underwater filtration. What is great about these pads is that they can be washed and reused many times. They don't need replacing every time, just cleaning. I rinse them until they come clean when I clean the tank.